In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a Docusign document. This is an essential skill for anyone using Docusign's electronic signature and intelligent agreement management services. Whether you're sending a contract, an agreement, or any document needing text fields, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, head over to the Docusign website at www.docusign.com. Here you'll find everything you need to manage your documents electronically. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the web page. Click it, then enter your login credentials. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to sign up for an account first, which is straightforward and quick. Once logged in, navigate to the Docusign home interface. This is your main hub where you can view, manage, and create new documents for signing. Look for the templates option. Templates are useful if you frequently send documents of a similar nature, as it allows you to quickly customize them. Next, select the appropriate template that you want to use. This might be a generic contract, agreement, or any document type you frequently work with. Selecting a template automatically loads a pre-designed document, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your document formats. Once you have your template selected, it's time to add specific details. These are unique data points necessary for each individual document, like the recipient's name, email, any pertinent dates, or specific terms. After adding in the necessary details, you'll move on by clicking the Next button. This prepares the document for further configuration. Here you'll be able to customize many aspects, but today we're focusing on adding text fields. To insert text into the document, you need to click on the Text button within the Docusign interface. This action will allow you to place a text box anywhere on your document. Simply position your cursor in the desired location on the document and click to set where your text will appear. You can adjust the size of this text box by clicking and dragging the corners to ensure all your content fits neatly within the designated space. This feature is especially useful for fields like names or addresses where precise placement is important. Remember, once you've placed your text fields, you can further customize the font, size, and style to match your document's aesthetics or any specific branding needs. These customization options are usually found in a toolbar within the text field area. And there you have it, your document is now ready to be sent with personalized text included. Be sure to double check all details for accuracy before sending it out for signatures. Practicing these steps will make you a pro at customizing documents in Docusign, enhancing your workflow efficiency and ensuring all your documentation needs are met with ease.